How to remove age restriction on YouTube app. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To remove the age restriction on your YouTube application, head over and launch a YouTube app in your device. So right over here, firstly switch into the account in which you wish to remove the age restriction on the YouTube. Now at the bottom right corner, you will see the profile icon. Go ahead and tap on this given option. From here, you need to check out the setting gear icon that is in your top right corner. Once you are in your settings under account, navigate to the option of general. Right here, you will see this restricted mode. The restricted mode hides potentially mature videos. However, the filter is not 100% accurate and the settings applies to the application only and as well as the only account that you have enabled the restricted mode on. Now to remove it, just tap on this toggle icon to turn it off. This will remove the restricted mode or the age restriction on YouTube. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.